Hello and welcome to the $100 Daily. I'm your host, KR, and I'll be sharing this great opportunity with you. So just sit back, relax as I go through this and show you how you could be making $100 plus per day, which will be going directly to your bank account. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the $100 Daily Club. This is a fast and easy way to put instant cash into your pockets on a daily basis. Now, just to be clear, this will not make you rich by no means, but it will bring a little extra money into your house, which can help for the bills, right? Help you with your monthly bills, weekly groceries, rising fuel costs, as well as unseen monthly expenses. This is something that is simple, super easy, and very, very profitable. Now, how does it work? Well, what makes $100 Daily such a great opportunity is this. There's a one-time $100 fee that everyone pays when they join. It's super profitable if you work this thing daily. If you work it daily, you will see the profits. The system contains great digital products which you can find in your back office once you become a member. There's no special skills needed to make this money. All you have to do is get on your website, get on your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, post a few simple ads, and people are going to jump in and you're going to get paid. You can work your own hours. That means you can jump on for an hour, hour and a half, and guess what? You're going to start seeing those profits. You can work this from anywhere in the world. Why? Because it's mobile. So that means you can be on the beach, at the gym, at the restaurant, and you can be making money all day long. It's a global opportunity, so that means you can share this with people in other countries like Nigeria, Ghana, the Netherlands. You can invite them in because of the simple fact that it can be paid for in Bitcoin. You receive instant daily pay. So the minute someone joins, the minute they say they want to take advantage of this great opportunity, you're going to be paid instantly. So there's no waiting on money to hit your account. It is in your account as soon as this person joins. There's no recruiting or team building required. What we mean by that is simple. We have digital products that's being sold within your back office. So this means that you are not recruiting people, you're not building teams, you're not doing matrix systems. You're simply getting paid from people that's coming in, taking advantage of these great products and services. That is exciting. Let's take a look at our chart. This is going to show you the possible earnings that you could have. Now, none of these earnings are guaranteed, but you better believe that you can hit some of these numbers if you apply this system and apply yourself to making this money starting today. Moving from the left to the right, we have our daily sales. These are the sales that you could possibly make in a day. Income per sales. This is the income based upon people coming in. Daily sale totals right here. Weekly sale totals are these here. Monthly sale totals are right here, as well as your yearly sale totals. Now, this is going to blow your mind because these numbers are staggering, guys, to start off with just $100. But this is what it is, and I'm going to introduce it to you right now. Let's just say, for instance, you're in. You've already set up your system, you have your payment processors in place, and now you're sharing your link with other people. If just one person joined you per day, right? One person per day at $100. The total sales for that day will be $100. For that week, it will be $700. For that month, $2,800, and for the year, $33,600. Now imagine that from just one person saying, yes, I want into this and I want to make this money with you. That is $33,600 per year. Let's move forward. Let's say, for instance, you do two sales at that $100 price. That means that that's 200 made for that day, 1,400 for the week, 5,600 for the month, and amazing 67,200 for the year. Wow, that is exciting, right? From a $100 investment. Let's move forward. Let's say three people. Let's say that three sales are made in a day. Based upon that $100 being the base principal for the sale, that's $300 coming in for a total of $2,100 for the week, $8,400 for the month, 100 and $100,800, guys, for the year. I almost stuttered on that one. $100,800 for the year based off of a $100 investment, and you just sharing this opportunity with three people per day. Wow. Let's move forward. Let's say four people decide that they want to join this great opportunity with you per day. That's four sales per day. Based upon $100 being the base sale, that is $400, right, for that one day. That's $2,800 per week, $11,200 per month, and a staggering $134,400 per year. Are you seeing the power of this, guys? $134,000 per year from a simple $100 investment, and you getting up and sharing this information every day. Let's move on to our last chart number. Number 5. Let's say, for instance, you bring in 5 people, right? 5 sales. 5 people say that they want to make this money with you, and you earn $100 per person. That's a total of $500. That's $3,500 per week, $14,000 per month, and a mind-blowing $168,800 per year from a $100 investment and simply sharing great opportunity with other people. You sit here and made $168,000, guys. And these numbers do not lie. These numbers are accurate. You can go through them yourself. Do your own calculations based upon $100 per sale. This is amazing. This is something that anybody can do, and you can start making money with this as soon as today. As soon as today. Getting started. Super simple, nothing hard about it. Getting started is easy because the only thing you have to do is this. Step number 1, register using your sponsor's link. Your sponsor is going to send you a link. You're going to send your sponsor that $100 payment to get your system set up. That's it. Step number 2, set up your $100 daily back office by entering your payment processors and creating your referral link. And you don't have to worry about that because the creator of this is in the back office telling you everything that you need to do, Mr. Frank Salinas. He's going to be walking you through setting up everything and explaining payment processors to you. Wow. Step number 3, share the opportunity on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or just send a text message out to your friends. Hey, check this out. Let me show you how that you can make a couple extra $100 per day. Remember, there's no recruiting needed because you're not building a team. You're not scaling anything. You're just making this money off of direct sales of $100. That's amazing. And what happens next is you earn $100 or more each and every day. And that's it. So right now, I want you to think about this, and I want you to get back to the person that shared this great opportunity with you, whether it was one of my members or whether it was me myself. Let me know that you're ready to get started. I will send you over the link, and you can get in and start making this money today. And I want to welcome you in advance to the $100 Daily. Take care.